Hi ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. We'll guide you through the process of activating InvoiceNow and GST InvoiceNow in the ABSS Connect web portal. First, log into your ABSS Connect web portal using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your company profile by clicking the button located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, double-check your company's unique entity number to ensure it's correct for the business you want to connect to the network. Once confirmed, go to the Integrate Applications section on the left-hand side, look for InvoiceNow, and click Connect. A consent form will appear. Tick the box to agree to the consent, then click Next. You're now connected to InvoiceNow. Click the Activate GST InvoiceNow button to complete your onboarding. You can monitor your connection status at any time under the InvoiceNow tab. Your company is now officially connected to the InvoiceNow network. Thank you for watching, and we're here to support you every step of the way.